Are you excited?
Super excited.
Okay.
I can't even wait to see what my class looks like.
Say that again?
I can't wait to see what my new class looks like.
Okay. Are you not gonna miss your friends?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss my friends a little bit. I'm gonna make more friends, and it's cool, man.
Yeah. This is Coleman. They had a new school. This is their first day in their new school.
First day.
And this is a new, like brand new school, like newly built.
Yeah, and every time when I go to
Everything is new. The classrooms are new.
the cafeteria is new.
New. Everything. The lock.
library is new.
New. Everything is new. The locker is new.
Yeah, and now they call it cubbies.
Huh?
Now the lockers are called cubbies.
Oh, they are called cubbies? Okay, I didn't know that. Move out of the way.
There's a bus.
Oh, thank you. Come on this way. Let's go this way so they can take a picture.
Oh, the police.
Come on, right here.
How are you supposed to get like?
This is so exciting. Maybe we're supposed to go back at the drop-off line. Do you think that?
I don't know.
I think so. Hey, can you do your dance? Can you do your happy dance? Hey, 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 hey. Is that your happy dance?
Yeah, I like that. When I'm so happy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and every time when I draw something and I'm so happy, I do like
What's your favorite subject?
my favorite subject.
I know.
What is it?
Art, drawing.
How did you know?
Yeah, because you draw all the time. I know that. I'm your mom.
I love art drawing.
Yeah, but you tell me you love science, but you keep drawing every day, every night.
Because I like drawing.
But you tell me you like science, but you just draw all the time. So which one do you like? Science or drawing? You confused? You like both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both of them are so cool. I can't even choose what I should do.
What is your voice? Why is your voice like that?
I talk a little long.
Because you scream a lot. That's why. That's why. Oh, bye-bye. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.